Narayanam. Welcome you to all to your favorite physics class. So dear students, we will discuss about our types of vector, types of scalars. Then in your previous class I recently told you about the addition of vector. So in your today class, as you can see, it's vector multiplication. So how can we multiply two vectors quantities? Previous class we discussed about the addition of vectors, that is a plus b. When we added two vectors quantities, then we get a new vector and we derive its magnitude with its direction. Similarly, when we multiply two vector quantities, there are two types of or two forms of multiplication that we can multiply two vector quantities. So let's discuss about it. So there are two types of vector multiplication. Two types of vector multiplication. First one is your, it is said as dot product or scalar product. So first type of multiplication we can multiply is dot product, or it is otherwise known as our scalar product. And your second type of multiplication is your cross product. Cross product, or it is known as your vector product. So there are two types of vector multiplications. First we can multiply two vectors as scalar product or dot product, and second type of multiplication is your cross product or vector product. So what is scalar product or dot product and what is vector product or cross product? We are now going to discuss about details of it. So first of it is our scalar product or our dot product. So first type of vector multiplication is your scalar product, which is otherwise known as your dot product. So what is dot product? Dot product is the product of two magnitudes with cosine angle, smaller angle between them. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଦୁଇଟା ଭେକ୍ଟର କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟି କୁ ମଲ୍ଟିପ୍ଲାଏ କରୁଛେ ବା ଡଟ୍ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ କରୁଛେ, ସେତେବେଳେ ଦୁଇଟା ଭେକ୍ଟର କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟିର ମାଗ୍ନିଚ୍ୟୁଡ୍ କୁ ସିମ୍ପଲି ମଲ୍ଟିପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବାର ଅଛି ଏଣ୍ଡ ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଯେଉଁ ସ୍ମଲର ଏଙ୍ଗେଲଟା ଥିବ ଆମର ତାର କୋସାଇନ୍ ଫର୍ମଟାକୁ ଆସିବ। ସୋ ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଲେଖିଲା ମାନେ ଜାଣିପାରିବ ବା ଡ୍ର କରିକି ଫିଗରଟା ଦେଖିକି କହୁଛି ଆগে। Let's we have two vectors, that is a vector and b vector, which are originated from a single point by making an angle theta between them. This one is your a vector and this one is your b vector, and angle between them is theta. Then what will be its scalar product? When we make dot So A B cos theta is a scalar quantity. As the result of dot product we get a scalar quantity. Hence this dot product is also known as your scalar product. Clear? So how much the result of A dot B is we get A B cos theta. Remind there is no directions. Directions are which count जो resultant हमें पाइलो तार only magnitude ही हमको मिले. But having no direction, तार direction मिले hence here तो magnitude हमें पाइलो तेणु तार गोटे scalar quantity बोली जाए scalar quantity जो को हमर dot product को again हमर scalar product भी कहा होछि. Clear? एबे हमें देखिबा different type of factors हमें जानिछु. So different type of factors रो dot product बोले हमें result केते पाइबो. So let हमें जेतबेले दुइटा vector quantity रो dot product करूछु से depends करछि their magnitude पे and also cos theta. If this theta vary 20 degree 30 degree 45 degree 60 degree 90 degree what will be theta vary बोले हमरा dot product रो value भी vary करूछि. So let's we have two orthogonal vectors or if two vectors perpendicular to each other. Let's see what will be the result. If two vectors are perpendicular, perpendicular means one is perpendicular to another. That means here the value of theta is our 90 degree. Clear? Figure में देखो सी मो सेतेबेले A perpendicular to B. That means if that one is your A, B is that. That means they are both perpendicular to each other by making an angle 90 degree with them. So if theta is 90 degree, then what will be the resultant of the product? A dot B is yours AB cos 90 degree. Clear? 9 cos 90 degree value. How much? As we know, cos 90 is our 0. Very good. Hence, we can write AB of 0, which results as finally 0. Then we have perpendicular vector or orthogonal vector the dot product आमे करूचे magnitude आमे केते पाइबो केते पाउछ magnitude पाउछ 0. Very good. As we know I cap, J cap and K cap. हमें जानिछु I cap, J cap and K cap कोन three mutually perpendicular unit vectors. Very good. I represent these three. I cap along horizontal direction, that is along x coordinate, J cap along y coordinate and K cap along z axis. Unit vector along horizontal, that is I cap, along vertical J cap and along z axis, that is K cap. And all are mutually perpendicular to each other. That means angle between I and J is 90 degree, J and K is 90 degree also, K and I is 90 degree. Then if we making dot product with them, then the result becomes, let's see, if we making dot product I dot J, then how much its result? They are perpendicular to each other. That means here we get I J cos 90 degree. H cos 90 is 0. Hence the result we find as 0. Again, if we making the dot product of J and K cap, similarly the result is 0. If making K dot I, then it is also getting the result 0. Very good. Now let's discuss about the similar vectors. 1. Very good. That means AB into 1. This measures our product of their magnitude. Simply we found if the dot product of two equal vectors, then we found the result as the product of their magnitude. Clear? Similarly, answer that I dot I. How much? Ik dot ik. Two similar vectors. That means we get I square, whose value is 1. Magnitude of I unit vector, that means unit vector magnitude kete re 1. Tale I dot I is our I square of cos 0 degree. Cos 0 is 1. Hence the magnitude is only I square, that is 1 into 1 is 1. Clear? Similarly, the jk dot jk we are getting 1, and also kk dot kk we are found as 1. Clear? So in our dot product we overall found that the dot product is the product of magnitude of each vector with cos angle between them. Then we are discussed about the perpendicular dot product of two perpendicular vector. When we are taking dot product of two perpendicular vectors, the result we are getting is 0. And when we make dot product of two equal vectors, then the result we found is the product of their magnitude. And when we making the dot product of some unit vectors, then we get its result as 1. Very good. Now let's discuss the dot product in terms of three rectangular coordinate axes or so now dot product in terms of rectangular components. Dot product in terms of rectangular components. आमे थ्री कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री जेतबे तुम माने पढिबो आमे माने जानि छु गोटे कंपोनेंट को जेतबे आमे गोटे प्लेन रे और स्पेस रे थ्री कोऑर्डिनेट रे शो होजो सेतबे आमे तीनटा तार कोऑर्डिनेट पाबो गोटे x कोऑर्डिनेट गोटे y कोऑर्डिनेट एंड गोटे z कोऑर्डिनेट हमको मिले थ्री कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस रे 3D ज्योमेट्री रे तुम माने जानथिबो x एक्सिस y एक्सिस एंड z एक्सिस को इन plus ayjk plus azk. This one is your A vector dot B vector. How much? Your bxik plus byjk plus bzk. Clear? Distribution law and multiplication of distribution and so similarly now we have to multiply axik with each terms of b vector. That means first we have to multiply axik with bxik, then again axik with byjk, again axyk with bzk. Similarly but second term ayjk with each term. So let's start. axik into bxik plus axik into byjk plus axik into bzk. First term with its each term complete. Now second term with bx, by and bz. So plus ayjk of bxik plus ayjk of byjk plus azk of ayjk of bzk. Second term is completed. Now the third term azk dot bxik plus azk of byjk plus azk of bzk. Is that clear? Each term of A vector is multiplied with each term of B vectors. Now what will be the final result? A dot B. So first let's see now. axik dot bxik. Ax is the magnitude, bx is the magnitude. So we have to make dot product of ik dot ik vector quantity. So ax bx ik dot ik plus ax by ik dot jk plus ax bj ik dot kk. First term complete. Now second term plus aybx j dot I plus ayby j dot j plus aybj j dot k. Third term होगा azbx kk dot ik plus azby kk dot jk plus azbj kk dot kk. Now complete. देखो here ax bx of ik dot ik. एबे আমি just পড়িলু ik dot ik. How much? ik dot ik is our 1. Yes. Now I dot j how much? 0. Very good. I dot k similarly perpendicular vector, hence the dot product is 0. Good. J dot I is also 0. J dot j similar factors, that means magnitude is 1. J dot k is 0. K dot I is 0. K dot j is 0 and k dot k is 1. Let's see. The odd one, that is I dot j, I dot k, j dot I, j dot k. से सब लोग मिलो 0 होला. Only similar factors. Okay. First, second and third. Only similar factors are value गुड़ा 1 रहला. अब बाकी जितने भी अच्छे हमारे odd one that are 0. 0. Hence, finally we getting the result in rectangular components is ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. So that is the final value of our dot product in terms of rectangular components. Rectangular components रे हम जेतबे दुईटा वेक्टर रो मल्टीप्लिकेशन करूछु सेतबे हम केते पाइबा तार रिजल्ट लागुछु ना सिमिलर टर्म्स द rectangular components रो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द सिमिलर टर्म्स फॉर ax bx horizontal component az ay by horizontal component az bz sorry vertical component and plane component. तो तीनटा component रो rectangular form रो हम मल्टीप्लाई करके मिल जाउछ हमको. So in our class we discussion करू about dot product of the two vectors. दुटा वेक्टर रो dot product हम वेक्टर करू तार डेफिनेशन वाइज हम करू कते ना a dot b दुटा वेक्टर को मल्टीप्लाई करले हम पाउछ कते ना a b with cos theta. Then different type of vectors रो मल्टीप्लिकेशन करू. मल्टीप्लिकेशन रे हम पाइलु each similar vector को जोंचु जदी ताहले हम magnitude पाउछ product of their magnitude. If unit vector रोच जेमति कि हमर I cap dot I cap j cap dot j cap k cap dot k cap then their magnitudes हम पाइलु 1. जदी perpendicular vector रोच ताहले theta is 90 degree and हम जेमति कि जानिछु theta रो 90 degree हेले cos theta is 0. ताले जो भी perpendicular vector आसीबो हम सामने रे समानकर dot product ता हम पाइबा value always 0. And finally most important that is dot product in terms of rectangular components. So the rectangular components रे हम दुटा वेक्टर देछि तारो x y z मान component wise भाग करके देछि ताले जेतबे हम तार dot product करछु finally the similar terms रो multiplication रो addition गुडा पाइबो. The sum of the similar parts or rectangular components मान product मान addition रे भी हम